Hi, Leo. Hope you're well. Welcome, everyone. If you're new here, it'd be really cool if you would join our community. It helps the channel grow. Let's see what your spirit animal is for the week of August 3rd. What is the spirit animal that is walking with Leo for the week of August 3rd, please? For Leo. Show me what I need to see, please. Your spirit animal, Leo, is the mouse spirit. Tend to the small things. Tend to the small things. So this is number 40, which reduces to 4. Solid structure. Security. All right, let's see what's going on for you, Leo. What is going on for Leo for this week, August 3rd? What's going on for Leo? Show me what I need to see, please. All right, we have the 5 of Pentacles, 8 of Wands, and the Page of Pentacles. Okay, so I'm feeling like somebody is feeling like they're being breadcrumbed here with the 5 of Pentacles. They're feeling like they're not getting enough. And there's going to be some communication coming in with the 8 of Wands. This could also be moving, traveling. We have a new opportunity. Tend to the small things. Someone could be getting a new job. Could be even getting promoted. More money coming in. You're feeling like you're being breadcrumbed, like you're not enough. The 8 of Wands could be maybe you're moving to another position, a job, or location, or a new job altogether. Let's keep moving here. Oh, something's happening quickly. The Chariot. Victory for you. Look at this. We have the 6 of Wands too. This is double victory. Going somewhere after some conflict that people are going to look up to you, admire you. There's going to be some celebration. 3 of Cups. 9 of Wands. Not giving up. Exhausted. Taking action with your fears, I just heard. Page of Swords. Someone coming in with a message for you. And Page of Swords is sometimes I feel it's like some say the internet spy, but sometimes I feel like it's an investigator. Somebody is, it's like they're recruiting you. They're keeping an eye on you, keeping an eye on your work, and maybe they're coming in to approach you. Three of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles is teamwork, working together. With this one, I always feel like there's a mending that needs to be done. Maybe you do need to tend to the small things. Take action. There's a lot. The only sword speaking and thinking is this Page of Swords here. A lot of it is action. Emotions is going to be celebrating excitement. Maybe you're excited about this new promotion, this new job. I'm feeling with the Nine of Wands that you're fearing something. Maybe you're fearing this new job, fearing something here. And I'm feeling with the Three of Pentacles that you're going somewhere to mend, to blend, to fix almost. Victory will be yours. You going in and helping somebody, maybe even helping a company to like get their ball rolling here with the Chariot, move forward. And people are going to start admiring you, looking up to you, maybe even following you, following your lead. And all you need to do is just tend to the small things. Let's see, now you're feeling a little stuck up in your head, maybe. Maybe with the Eight of Swords, you're not seeing something. You're struggling to see. Maybe you're struggling to see what needs to be mended, but you will eventually mend something. Four of Wands. The 1111 portal. Moving through the portal. It's like I'm seeing a portal and it's dark, like the Eight of Swords here. It's dark, and once you move through the portal, you'll understand how to fix, how to mend things. How to grow, how to nurture. We had the Nine of Pentacles. This is independence. You're a very independent person. You work hard for your money. Because you do tend to the small things. Okay, let's see what your soul journey is, Leo. To me, it's almost like you're being offered a position in a facility to help mend or help build up. To help build it up. To give your knowledge to mend things. There's going to be some celebration here. Soul journey for Leo. What is going on for Leo for this upcoming week? Show me what I need to see, please. Humor. I choose to focus on the lighter side of life. It's almost like, with the humor card, it's almost like you need to bring in some humor, some lightness into a situation maybe here. Because it's almost like everybody's serious, too serious here. And it's feeling like someone's, like they're stuck. And that's why they're asking you for advice, for help here. Okay. Let's see what your crystal wisdom is, Leo. Crystal wisdom for Leo. Maybe you're an independent person and you're hired to do these jobs to help mend things together, to help build up. That's just how I'm feeling here. Okay, your crystal here that's fallen out is selenite. Purify your spirit, cleanse your energy for new beginnings. So maybe you need to go in and purify to cleanse the energy around to start something new, something fresh. Okay, let's see what message from Spirit is. Message from Spirit for Leo. Okay, let's see what those are. Learn to ride the wave of life. When faced with difficult times, you can either fight against the current or go with it. So ask yourself what is to be gained by depleting your energy, fighting against it. Don't do that to yourself. And sometimes walking away is the only option, not because you want to make someone miss you or realize they took you for granted, but because you finally respect yourself enough to know you deserve better. Okay, let's see. This is what I have for you, Leo. Please take what resonates and leave the rest behind. Thank you all for coming. Bye.